In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fix compare price not appearing in Shopify. If your compare at price is set, but you are not seeing that crossed out higher price on your product page, the cause is usually simple. Shopify will only show a compare at price when it is higher than the actual selling price. If the values are the same, or if the compare at price is lower, Shopify will not display the strike-through pricing because it would not represent a discount. To fix it, start by going to your Shopify admin dashboard. From the left-hand menu, open Products. Find the product that is missing the compare price display and click on it to open the product details page. Once you are inside the product editor, scroll down until you see the pricing section. This is where Shopify stores the two numbers that control what customers see: the price, which is the amount you are actually charging, and the compare at price, which is the original or regular price you want to show as a reference. Now focus on the values. Make sure the compare at price is a higher number than the price. For example, if your price is $800, your compare at price should be something like $1,000. When Shopify sees that the compare at price is higher, it can show the compare at value with a strike-through and show the lower price as the current sale price. If the two numbers are equal, Shopify treats it like there is no discount. If the price is higher than the compare at price, Shopify also will not show the strike-through because it would be misleading. In both of those cases, the compare price will not appear on the storefront. After you update the values so that the compare at price is higher than the price, double-check the numbers for accuracy. Then save your changes if needed, and refresh your product page to confirm the compare pricing now displays correctly. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.